Asshole.
You know what that is? That's badass. Nothing I can do with it, but that's just badass, I think. Some kind of plastic something. Okay, I have an open wound. I don't need dumpster juice in it. Why aren't you wearing your gloves? Cords. Don't think I really need a plunger. Disinfectant. I'll probably use that in the truck. Yes, I was watching the Ohio State game, but it looks like it's getting out of hand. So I kind of took a break, maybe change some luck, and go and scrap it. You remember, people, how I always say, shop smart, shop dumpster smart. Doesn't that look like it's on a rack ready to be sold? And this is leftover stock, I assume. Take all that. What do you think, guys? Think I can use this? Okay. Well, they may not win today, but I'm definitely here. Really? So, let's scale 1 to 10. What kind of haul is that? What do you think? The highest I've paid for gas in Lexington, it's $3.05 a gallon. I could probably drive around and find $2.98. Big doings, sister. Big doings of nothing. Let's see what else we can find, if anything. I see Sergeant Schultz in this thing. And I won't say what that is. See if anybody gets the reference, what I mean by saying Sergeant Schultz. See what I saw? Maybe not. Can you see it? Really? This thing here is just in the damn way. How about that? Kindly badass. I can't impress upon you just how much I hate this shit. Things are going to be the death of me. I really and truly hate them things. What? Y'all see this of shit. A little bit here. Raccoon waiting for me at a dumpster somewhere. Well, that scrapper is not getting this stuff. See him up there? They're going through shit. Really? Everything. Digital counting money jar. Make it easy for when the guy breaks into your house to know how much money you have in the jar. Very smart. In case anybody's wondering, Ohio State got the shit beat out of them in Columbus by that team up north. Ryan Day's going to have to fix that and fix that right quick. That's 2 in a row now. Well, look at there. It's like they laid it right on top for me. My people love me. That'll wake people up. Holy crap, is that a car wreck? This has definitely been a load of little shit, adding up to a lot of shit. That wire was extraordinary fun. So, Saturday night dumpster scrapping. Scrap for cash style, Lexington, Kentucky. It's supposed to be windy and rainy tomorrow, so we'll see what that brings. But right now, got quite a few things here going on. Don't know. It's just weird looking. And metal. One of my fans. So the initial Saturday night run. Let's summarize just what we did. Wire and miscellaneous stuff and more miscellaneous stuff and stuff with wire and some stuff with more wire. So basically this was we're going to call this Saturday night wire time. I'm not in a particularly good mood because of this football game, but what are you going to do? Maybe not play man-to-man every fucking down. You're so intent on stopping a run on a team that doesn't have a running back and let the guy pick you apart in the secondary. But I digress. Overall, this couple-hour run this evening wasn't bad. Now tomorrow's going to be a little challenging. It's going to be windy and rain, but we'll see what we can squeak out tomorrow. So that is Scrap for Cash Saturday night in Lexington. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you stop in tomorrow and see what Sunday's video brings. I'm going to have to do some rearranging on the truck for sure, just to make room. But you saw most everything I picked up. I don't think there was any surprises in that mess. So we'll do it again tomorrow. Scrap for Cash out. There's a farmer that drives over to the neighboring farm and gets out, walks up, and knocks on the door. Well, little Johnny answers the door. Well, the farmer asks him, "Is your dad home?" Little Johnny says, no, Dad went into town." Farmer says, "Well, is your mom home?" Little Johnny says, no, Mom's not home either. She went into town with Dad." "Was your brother Rick? Is he home?" And he said, No, my brother went into town with my mom and my dad. Is there something I can help you with? Because I know where all of Dad's tools are. Is there something I can get you? We have some feed. We just baled 10 acres of hay. We got hay in the barn if you need some hay." The farmer said, "No, I'm actually here to see your brother Rick about getting my daughter pregnant." Little Johnny goes, "Well, yeah, you're gonna have to talk to Dad about that one, because I know he charges $200 for the cow and $150 for the pig. Well, I don't know what he charges for Greg."